Hello everyone, welcome back to IBFL Bharat. Myself Nikhil Agrawal. Again, I'm here with our new vlog, assignment number 10. Currently, we are performing all those assignments in which only ledger creation and voucher creations are to be made. These are very simple case studies, and whenever you feel any of the doubts, you can use our comment section. And only the shortcut keys we are using is F2 for saving the voucher and saving the ledgers, or we can use F3 also to make a ledger inside the voucher. And one transaction is here in which you will see some technical things like check dishonor, discount allowed or discount received. Also, we had performed in the previous case study, the Kailash Chand, and that was Baldev, and in which we had allowed the discounts also, and we had also received the discounts as cash discounts. So now let's start. You are able to see the complete creation window in which we have already put the name assignment number 10, and here we have entered the country name India and state is Delhi. Nothing new, nothing, no changes we are making in this, and GST we are setting to no as always. Save the information and create the super user as A10. A10 will be the super user, and the password will be 123 and 123, and save the information. Skip the feature window and come to transactions. Now, in this case, we have been given the opening balances of cash and bank. So we are going to administration, masters, and account, then modify. Modify, we are making changes in cash ledger. The cash ledger is we are having the balance of 800 rupees, and press F2 to save, and we will add a new ledger of bank. No name we have been there is given, so we will take bank account, and the opening balance is 5700 rupees. Press F2 to save. Now let's create another ledger of capital. It will be under capital account, and the opening balance will be 5700 plus 800. That will be our 6500. Okay, and we will also save this voucher, this ledger. Now we will see first of all the balance sheet report, and we will see it as we have to see this. Total of balance sheet is 6500. There is no difference in opening balances. Means after entering the opening balances, the bank account is showing 5700, cash in hand showing 800, and capital account is showing 6500 rupees. Okay, now the new transaction will be made in transactions, and let's see sales made to Ram. We will come in a journal add. We are making the sales to Ram, so we will create a ledger by pressing F3. Ledger name is Ram, and he will be our debtors. And press F2 to save. And amount of sale is 3250, and sales ledger is already added. Save with the new bill RAM 001 and accept this. Next is received a check from Ram. Now we will come in Alt F6. We are receiving check from Ram. So Ram will be in credit side. Amount is 3250. And here will be we are receiving. So we will take bank account here, and we are saving this information. Okay. By adjusting it with the bill Ram 001 and accept. Another entry we are making is of purchases. Purchases made from Sohan come in journal. We are already in journal voucher, and take purchase ledger in debit. Amount of purchases is 2425, and purchases made from Sohan. Press F3 to create the ledger of Sohan, and it will be in creditors. Press F2 to save amount, and bill information we have to enter is SP001 and save the information. Next, pay to Sohan by check. Press Alt F5, open the payment voucher, and here we are making payment to Sohan. Take Sohan, amount is 2425, and we are making payment through check. So say it is bank, and adjust it with the bill number SP001 against check. Okay, the next thing is which I was discussing with you earlier. Ram's check will get dishonor. Now we have to reverse the entry of May 1. That's received a check from Ram. The entry we had made was Ram was in credit and bank was in debit. Now we will reverse this entry in general voucher. We will make Ram in debit, the amount 3250, and we will take bank in credit. It will be assumed as the bank returned the check and the check we have received is returned to Ram again. We will enter the narration check dishonor. ठीक है, सेव कर दीजिए. We will enter just one because without entering any reference, this voucher cannot be saved. Okay. Now, next entry is withdrew from bank for office use. Exit from the window and come to contra and add a voucher, contra voucher. That's withdrew from bank for office use. It is cash will be in debit. Amount we have withdrawn is 250 rupees, and here will be bank in credit. Next is called goods to hurry. We will come in Alt F7 and we will prepare a ledger of hurry in F3, hurry, and he will be our debtor. F2, save. An amount of sale is 1200 rupees. We will take sales here and we will drop a bill number also, H01. Save the information. Now check received from Hari 1200 rupees. We have received a check of 1200 rupees. Press Alt F6 and Hari is debtor. Hari will be in credit. Now 1200 rupees and the amount will be dropped in check, yani bank. Save this against adjustment of bill number H01 and save. Rent paid by check. So come in Alt F5, take rent ledger, office rent. Amount is 150 rupees and amount paid by bank accepted. Bank charges Alt F5. Again, we have to take bank charges. Pehle bank charges already we have the ledger of bank charges and we will take 25 rupees here and the bank charges will be administered through bank only. Save. Paid to Mukesh by check. There is no previous entry of Mukesh, so we will deem this entry as we had paid any loan amount to Mukesh. Mukesh asked for a loan and we had made a payment to Mukesh for loan. So press Alt F5, prepare a ledger by pressing F3. That's Mukesh loan account, and we will take it in loans and advances. We will set this option to no. It is maintaining bill by bill. We are not selling or purchasing the things. That's why we will set it this option to no. Press F2. Save this voucher. Amount of loan is 1200 rupees, and the payment will be through check. So save this information. Now is the time to check the reports in display finalized balance sheet, horizontal standard month wise, and we will take this option to yes and save the information. This is our report. So balance sheet is showing 8,350. Profit is 1850. It is also correct. Bank balance is 2850 and cash balance is 1050. So this is our today's assignment number 10. So you will like it and you have understood the things which we have made here. And for the next vlog, please subscribe our channel and please share to the needy ones so that they can also take benefit of our video. And if you liked it, please hit a thumbs up. For more videos, please stay tuned to our channel. We will meet you in the next vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and see you soon.